From NIJ, Heather Waltke, the Associate Director of the Office of Investigative and Forensic Sciences at the National Institute of Justice, to give a few opening remarks as well, and she was one of the planning team members that contributed to this event. So, Heather?
Good morning, everybody. I would like to start off by echoing John Paul's sentiments and say that I'm thankful for all of our speakers for giving us their time and energy to come here today to discuss some important issues in the area of forensic document examination with regard to handwriting analysis. I'm looking forward to all the presentations we have scheduled over the next 2 days. I would also like to thank all of our in-person attendees as well as our online registrants. I look forward to hearing all of your ideas as well as all of your feedback. So, as John Paul said, I am the Associate Director of the Office of Investigative and Forensic Sciences at the National Institute of Justice, the lead research, development, and evaluation agency at the U.S. Department of Justice. As such, we are dedicated to improving the knowledge and understanding of crime and justice issues through science. The mission of NIJ's Office of Investigative and Forensic Sciences is to improve the quality and practice of forensic science by supporting research and development, testing and evaluation, technology, information exchange, and the development of training resources for the criminal justice community. Our research agenda responds to the real-world needs of victims, communities, and criminal justice professionals. At NIJ, we work to provide objective and independent knowledge and tools to reduce crime and promote justice. We strive to encourage and support innovation and rigorous research methods that can provide answers to basic research questions as well as practical, applied solutions to crime. We also strive to advance technology and translate this technology and newfound knowledge into practice. One way we accomplish this is by providing direct support to crime laboratories and law enforcement agencies to increase their capacity and provide training in new technologies. As many of you are probably aware, in 2009, the National Academy of Sciences National Research Council released Strengthening Forensic Science in the United States, A Path Forward. For the past several years, this report has taken the center stage at many discussions at major conferences. I think many of you would agree when the NAS committee wrote, "For decades, the forensic science disciplines have produced valuable evidence that has contributed to the successful prosecution and conviction of criminals, as well as the exoneration of innocent people." However, like any science, we must continue to build and strengthen our foundations, and rigorous research will help address some of the legal challenges encountered in fields such as this. It is with these thoughts that I would like to make you aware that each year at NIJ, we solicit for research that is relevant to the needs of the criminal justice community. For example, NIJ offers opportunities for funding in the areas of applied research and development in forensic science, as well as basic scientific research to support forensic science. We have a highly qualified staff at the Office of Investigative and Forensic Sciences, and we strive to develop an innovative, cutting-edge research agenda that evolves with the needs of the forensic science community. Since 2009, NIJ has provided over $86 million in funding for over 200 research and development awards in the forensic sciences alone. Just to make you aware, about $2 million of this has been awarded to the Question Documents Awards. In addition, NIJ-funded forensic science research has resulted in over 500 publications and presentations, allowing important research to be disseminated to researchers, practitioners, and other interested stakeholders. Some members of this community here are already getting your research funded, and so we want to encourage those with new ideas and proposals to submit to one of our research and development solicitations and give your ideas a chance to potentially benefit not only the Question Documents community, but the overall criminal justice community as well. We are all here today because we're interested in research and in the accuracy, reliability, and validity of the measurements and standards involved in handwriting analysis. And at this conference here today, we are all hoping to garner a greater understanding of not only the field, but exchange information and discuss not only current research, but the potential for future innovative measurement techniques. In closing, I would like to thank NIST for hosting this event, as well as the other members of the Planning Committee. It has been my pleasure to work with all of those who have been involved and organize what you'll hopefully find to be a relevant, timely, balanced, and thought-provoking agenda for all of the participants involved. Thank you so much.